The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Situated at the heart of the diverse, fast-paced, and magnificent city of Dubai, the Raj Yoga Center has become a favorite venue for people from all walks of life, seeking a common experience of peace, happiness, and well-being. Located within reach of the residential and commercial districts of Karama, Raj Yoga Center is easily accessible and has spacious rooms for conducting a wide range of courses, public events, workshops, seminars, retreats, and numerous social activities. It also houses a quiet room providing a suitable ambience for anyone wanting to unwind, relax, and recharge. The center provides for an ideal environment for enhancing the well-being of every individual by promoting spiritual understanding, integrity in leadership, and elevated actions towards building a better society. It offers a practical method of meditation that guide individuals to better understanding of their inner strengths and universal truths. Regular practice relaxes the mind and nurtures a healthy balance between one's inner and outer worlds. As part of the continuing community engagement, several activities at the Raj Yoga Center are held free of cost, such as Raj Yoga Meditation, Virtue Cafe, and Women Empowerment.
Greeting of peace and divine love. When we practice meditation daily, we are able to experience peaceful, happy, and powerful. And our mind become clean and clear. Then we are able to take right decision and we have a good relationship. So I invite you to visit our Raj Yoga Meditation Center.
Raj Yoga Meditation is a week-long course designed to help individuals learn and practice the essentials of Raj Yoga meditation. Raj Yoga essentially is yoga of the mind, where inner empowerment begins. Monday Talks is an hour-long session held on Mondays every month, focused on practical solutions to everyday issues. They are designed to inform, enrich, and inspire. These talks are facilitated by experienced professionals who have been practicing Raj Yoga meditation for years. Women empowerment. A woman is much greater than the role she plays. By attending these sessions, women rediscover different tools and techniques for self-esteem, time management, and self-empowerment. Enlighten Kids is a workshop held once a month for children of all nationalities between the ages 6 to 12 years. It is designed to help develop young minds in being more caring towards each other and create a value-based society. Virtue Cafe is a meeting in a cafe-like setting designed for young adults to explore, express, and exchange virtues in a creative, meaningful, and yet relaxed and engaging way. They participate and learn from conversations and activities and return committed to applying virtues in their daily lives.
We have enough resources in this world, the beautiful world of ours, for all of us, around 745 crores of people, to enjoy. But unfortunately, we are not able to share our resources with everyone because of our differences, the partitions that we have created in our home, in our village, in our country, in the world for ourselves. These partitions need to be removed and we need to be united. This is what we are all trying to achieve. In Raj Yoga Center, we are living the truth that this world is one family and we need to be in harmony with the creation and also union with the Creator. Thereby, this world will be a better place for every one of us to experience peace, love, and happiness. That is what we are trying to achieve. This world, of course, is one family. Everyone agrees. But what we need to do is we need to share our resources, and we need to care for each other, and we need to take a first step. We need to dare to take that step. So in Raja Yoga Center, we teach everyone to be positive and to share. By giving, we receive. Not by receiving, we are going to give. The first step is to receive. That's what people think, but it is not so. The first step is to give. Then automatically everyone receives. So giving is receiving. That's what we would like to live. For instance, if I give you a smile, you'll also give me a smile back. If I give you respect, you'll also give me respect. So whatever we give, we get it back instantly and instantaneously. It's free of charge. So we start giving and we start receiving. This is the secret of Raja Yoga.
Recently, it has introduced dedicated meditation classes for beginners and self-development talks in the Arabic language, facilitated by Arab practitioners of Raj Yoga meditation. Over the years, Raj Yoga Center has hosted many successful events in partnership with various community organizations and key government initiatives, which helped many to gain positive perspectives towards personal, family, and professional life. It has held various activities with the Dubai Police, the Federal Transport Authority, local dignitaries, as well as some private organizations and companies. During the International Day of Yoga, year after year, the Raj Yoga Center plays a key role in facilitating experiential meditation sessions to the residents of UAE. In order to cater to the ever-expanding community in Dubai, the Raj Yoga Center has inspired the opening of a meditation center in Jumeirah Lake Towers called the Meditation Space, to cater to the residents and the professionals situated in New Dubai. It offers meditation courses for individuals and corporate, holds self-development talks and workshops, and as the very name suggests, has a space especially dedicated for silent reflections and meditation. Visit Raj Yoga Center in Karama or the meditation space in JLT for an awakening experience.